Now we will solve one problem to calculate power consumed. The problem is given that a 220 volts 100 watts bulb is connected to 110 volts source. The power consumed by the bulb is how much? A 220 volts 100 watts bulb. The bulb is rated that 220 volts 100 watts. 220 volts 100 watts bulb is connected to 110 volts supply. Is connected to 110 volts supply. What is the power consumed by the bulb? So now we have to find out the power consumed by the bulb. For this, first what we have to do? First we will find out here they have given power rated of the bulb. So, and they have given the voltage also. From this we can use the formula P is equal to V square by R. We can find out the resistance of the bulb. After finding out the resistance of the bulb, now we found out the resistance of the bulb, then again use this P and this R, then you can find out again this V and this R, again you can find out P. So first step is use this P and V, find out the resistance of the bulb. After finding out the resistance of the bulb, again use this V and R, find out the P. So first P is equal to V square by R. P is equal to V square by R. Here I am taking R bulb. Bulb resistance I want to find out first. Now what is the power of the bulb? 100 watts. 100 watts is equal to voltage. Rated voltage of the bulb is 220 volts. V square we want. That means 220 into 220 by resistance of the bulb R. This I have to find out. Now resistance I am taking this side. Resistance of the bulb is equal to 220 into 220 by 100. 0 cancel, 0 cancel. You can leave it like this. 22 into 22 ohms. Now I found out the resistance of the bulb. Now voltage I know. What they are asking, find out the power consumed. Now again I can use the formula P is equal to V square by R between these two. Again P is equal to V square by R. Now which V I am using? I am using the applied source V, 110 volts. Now 110 volts supply by R is equal to 22 into 22. That means 110 into 110 by 22 into 22. This 10 if I am taking outside, 100 into 11 into 11 by 22 into 22, 11 2 times, 11 2 times, 2 50 times, 2 25 times. That means 25 watts is the power consumed by the circuit. So one more time I am explaining. First what we did here, the rated capacity of the bulb is 220 volts 100 watts. From this 220 volts 100 watts, I use the formula P is equal to V square by R. I find out the resistance of the bulb. Using that resistance and this voltage, again P is equal to V square by R, same formula. Formula is same only. P is equal to V square by R. I find out the power drawn by the circuit. The power drawn by the circuit is 25 watts. Like this we have to solve the problems. Other than this, one more thing is also there. Sometimes we have to use the formula I square RT also we have to use. That type of problems are also there. And what is the power consumed in the, otherwise what is the monthly electrical bill, suppose this many units are consumed, what is the monthly electrical bill, like that problems will be there. In that case, what they will ask, 1 kilowatt hour, we know 1 kilowatt hour is nothing but 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. So 1 kilowatt hour is 1 unit for our electrical purpose consumption, household consumption. 1 kilowatt hour is 1 unit. So this many units power consumed for the month, what is the electrical bill, like that they will ask the problems. So next video we will see electrical power consumption in a domestic supply.